realistically speaking, you coming from a master's in biotechnology and now you're working as a, I think, QC in pharmaceutical industry, right? Now, since this is a transitional role from your current domain to AI-driven project management, what do you feel mentally? Are you ready for it? Are you scared? Are you unsure? What do you feel?
Uh, there's always a doubt, but I think I'll be able to do it because from coming from always been operating in the lab, like I'm always running every instrument. I'm not planning anything, but I'm not doing anything new. So this is very new for me, and I think this will really help me
Absolutely.
for
It will,
better
it
job
will.
opportunities.
Absolutely. And this particular field that you're upskilling in, it's a domain, that does not have a stagnant point or a dead end. So even if you've learned everything in this domain and you've achieved the highest job role on the hierarchy, there is still further more to push. And there's always a company that will give you more CTC on that compared to the job role that you're currently doing. So your current job role and industry, it's kind of boxed, right? So there is like no growth scope both in terms of CTC as well as like challenges. So only when you as a professional face new challenges, you will actually fail and then learn from it, right? So that learning environment has to be there, and it will only happen when you transition into a new domain. That's our only way to like get you out of the box and push your CTC higher, right? And this particular field, 80% it is about communication. Now I've spoken to you before also, and I have full faith in your communication skills. I can see that you have decent level of EQ, which is emotional quotient, and as long as you have these foundational skills, you will do excellent in any industry you pick. You just have to stay consistent and believe. Okay.